Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to get straight into the video, and the products that we're going to be using today are some baking powder. I'm going to be using my finger. I'm also going to be using this container thingy to catch any excess powder. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. We are going to be using a few variety of colors from the orange. We're going to be using some nail glue, a base coat, a nail file or a nail drill, and I think that's pretty much it for the products that I'm going to be using in this video. I'm going to put I'm going to put all of these in the description, so don't worry. Now the first thing I did to be able to create this powder was I started mixing in the colors that I wanted with some baking powder. I then mixed these together with my drill. If you don't have a drill, you can just mix it with a spoon. That's okay. This is what it looks like when I was finished drilling. Looks kind of nice, right? I know. I then began applying the powder to the nail, and this is what it looked like when I applied the first layer. I then got some more of my glue and I was applying some more. I applied about 3 to 4 layers of glue before I then switched to my base coat, which I'm now using now. I don't remember exactly how many coats I applied of this, but I know I applied quite a few, just until I was satisfied with the way that it looked. And once I was finished, this is what it looked like. Cute, right? I know. I then decided to apply some diamond gem thingies to it. And these were tricky, y'all. I can't lie. They were tricky. Like, I was fiddling. I couldn't even put in, like, the whole shot because, ayo, this video would have been, like, 40 minutes long, yo. Like, girl, don't even get me started. But yeah, so here I'm just applying these little gemmy things. This part is completely optional. I just did this because I'm extra and I didn't want the nail looking all dry as hell. So I decided to spice it up. And this is how it was looking when I was finished, and I was quite pleased with this look. And if you are too, then make sure you click that subscribe button, girl, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe. Bye for now.